Good morning, everyone. So it's game day today. We're gonna watch the football game at my parents' house, and then we may try and go to the Padres game. We got tickets from our good friends Kuya Perry and Melissa for little Nathan's football thing, so we may go to that after. Austin just woke up. So now we gotta get ready. We're in a rush right now, so we gotta go. Sebastian. Say hi, Sebastian. Oh. So it's game day today. We're gonna go to my parents' house and watch some football. Hi everyone. So after the football game, Austin and I decided to go to the beach.
Just relax.
Have some family time on a Sunday. Say hi, Bastian. Yeah. Say hi. He loves his cars. He never wanted to let that car go. He had that toy for how long? Long time, huh?
Yeah. A year and a half.
So yeah, just gonna go to Oceanside and walk around the pier, get some ice cream, and then have some local Hawaiian food. Yeah. Okay, so for my makeup, it's really natural. I use Bare Minerals today because I'm breaking out. Like on my forehead and on my chin. I usually use Bare Minerals like every day, like when I go to work, or light days when I know my skin is just being weird and it's breaking out. So I used the Tarte concealer just to conceal where I need to, and then just use my Bare Minerals all everywhere else. Get a full coverage. What you guys think? We're here at Oceanside Pier. Love it. There's the pier right there. Probably gonna go walk on that later.
Car for the beach and Formula One car on the road. So we just got home from the beach. We're just gonna
take a shower, freshen up, and have dinner. So on the way going home, we bought Church's chicken. Oh my god, yes. Yes. And then they had these. Oh my god, yes. So we're just gonna go ahead and freshen up. And then have some dinner. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright everyone, it's dinner time. We're gonna end the night here, just finishing our dinner, watching a movie, and just having some family time. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.